To set double press set key as open Galaxy Shop in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find advanced features, and then tap advanced features. Select set key, and then on double press, tap open app settings icon, and then scroll down the screen, find Galaxy Shop, and then select Galaxy Shop. Now double press set key set as open Galaxy Shop. To use, you can just double press set key to open Galaxy Shop. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.